Arey bhai, if you are roaming over here, your cardio is almost done. हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, वेलकम टू बैक माय चैनल। साल 1-1.5 हो गया तो कोई वीडियो नहीं डाली ड्यू टू कोविड। द होल द थिंग्स गॉट ड्रास्टिकली चेंज। सो आज हम एक वीडियो के साथ वापस आए हैं। मैंने सोचा चलो इंडिया वालों को एक अपना जो मैसिव जिम है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वो दिखाया जाए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो वी आर हियर एट द डेरिमट 24/7। वाओ, कम हियर। सो दिस इज द एंट्रेंस व्हेनेवर वी आर कमिंग हियर। सो वाओ, amazing gym. So every time we need to do the check-in, that is the mandatory, and you can see the entrance. All the store is here. You can do the shopping for the clothing, supplement. If you need some things regarding the diet, that are here. Energy drinks that are there. Wow, amazing. So here's the guy Julian who helped us for this video. Extremely thankful to this person because he has just lowered down the volume to make the video more wonderful. Thanks to him. See you soon, Julian. Thank you for doing that. So whenever we come, we have the keys like this. Just need to scan that. He will say okay and we are good to go. So when we are coming in the gym, in the ground floor we have the cardio area. Look at that, amazing. So we have all the sanitizers are installed here for health and safety purpose regarding the COVID. And if you see from here, cross cycling around 10 machines. After that we have the treadmills that are installed around 10 to 12 numbers. Amazing, just amazing. See the massive gym. Wow. So we will not going to make the long video, just making that short. So after this we have the area regarding to the staircase, around 10 to 12 machines again installed. So if you see around here, wow, lot of cycles. And one more thing, if you are doing a workout, after workout you need to sanitize all the machines just like the person is doing over there. Just amazing. So after that we have some cardio area over here. Everyone is just crazy about the workout. So some area regarding the boxing. If you are a boxing fan, you can go inside and have some boxing kickouts. Wow, just amazing. So if we come ahead, wow, a lot of cardio machines over here. We can do a cardio workout over here only, as you can see around here. This is not the end of the gym, this is just the beginning. Wow, see the gym, brother. So this is the main area. From here the main section continues. Wow, see the weight area, lot of dumbbells. Wow, just amazing. So if we go ahead, this is the area where we can do the warm-ups and all. And this is the different rods area where we can lift up different weights for the biceps, triceps, whatever you want to do. We have different machines. Perfect, just amazing. So if you are lover for the doing leg exercise, this is the area. Wow, just show them over there how many machines they have. Just amazing. Wow. From here, if you want to do the squats, you want to do the deadlifts, you can perform all the exercises over here. We have different exercises for the shoulders. Just amazing. Wow. If you can see, all the things are nicely placed. Sanitizing stations are over here. You can sanitize your hands each and every exercise. And if you see, there are different washrooms. We are not going into that because we don't have enough time. This is for the gentlemen and that for the ladies. And again, this one is the weight machines where you can just come up and check your weights every time. Nothing to worry about. So this is the area, and if we go ahead, so look at this, just amazing. So this is the end of this section, and if we go around, you will just think that the area has been completed and this gym has been finished. No, you are wrong. We have another section that is for the group fitness, where you can do your Zumba's, fitness exercise and all. We are going ahead. Perfect. This is the most expensive gym. Not expensive, it's a good, but it's the best gym in the Adelaide. It's just massive. Wow. If you are just roaming over here, the one more thing, emergency evacuation plan has been placed over here. If in the case of emergency, just see the plan and you are good to go. So we will go around and we will go to the upstairs to show the areas over here. Look at this. Wow, just amazing. Arey bhai, if you are roaming over here, your cardio is almost done. See the different trainers and different promotions that are going on. So here, this is the ladies gym. Oh, sorry, we can't go over here. So this is the spin section. Look at this. If you want some personal training or some group exercise you want to do, you can do over here. You just need to book the classes over here according to a timetable, and yes, you are good to go. Perfect. So we will go ahead as video is becoming extremely lengthy, so we are not going. Again, this is the best thing. Every gym persons need to implement that. So for the safety purpose, the cameras, if you see the sprinklers, everything is fine. And if we come inside that is the group sessions, see over here. Wow, this is the life, baby. See, if you want to do the group fitness exercise, just book on according to a timetable, and wow, this is the massive gym. If you don't know, now you know. So this was just a quick look for my gym, and I think the Indian gym persons can implement all the things in the Indian gyms to make them healthy, COVID free, and yes, stay happy, stay safe, and I will join you in the next video very soon. Okay guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe, because a lot of amazing stuff is going to take place very soon. Just keep supporting and enjoy the life, be safe, and it's always one life.